One of the first things you'll want to do in Nureply is add an email account. You click the Start Setup button, and you'll be given a choice of 3 different types of providers: Google Workspace, Microsoft, or Other. Right now, we're going to set up Other, which is an SMTP or IMAP connection. You can import multiple accounts, and I'll show you how to do that. Or you can configure them one at a time. You'll define the IMAP server and the SMTP addresses and the ports, and then you'll move to the next step. From here, you'll configure your sender name, your email address, and your IMAP password. Some services require a secondary SMTP username and an SMTP password, but that's going to completely depend on your configuration. Once you've added in your email address and the passwords, you should test the connection. It says here both SMTP and IMAP passed. We'll go to the next step, and we'll configure the daily sending limits. Usually, I'll wait to increase this to 30 after the account has been warmed for a while. And then over here for account tags, we can add anything that's a reference for this account. So however you'd like to be able to search for these particular accounts or group them together. And then you click the button to connect accounts. And now we have in here an account. The account is still sitting at testing delivery and it's not active. Let's do a delivery test. And as long as all of our settings are configured, they should come back correctly. You can see that the DKIM, DMARC, and SPF statuses have all passed. And the next thing that I do from here is I click to start the warm-up. In our overview, you'll see that there's this receiving and sending statuses are good, but there's no tracking domain set. Tracking domain means the domain that you're using when you are rather than using the Nureply default, when somebody clicks on a link inside of your email, it'll go back to your custom tracking domain rather than our generic, which improves deliverability. To add a custom tracking domain, so I go into my DNS settings over here and click becomes a CNAME to email.nureply.com. Go ahead and click add, and we'll wait a few moments for that DNS to propagate. Now your email account has been configured using SMTP.